Hey, it's Ohio Jimbo. I got a quick disclaimer here. Listen, I'm not a great guitar player. I'm not even a good guitar player on certain days. And when I sing, there's a very real chance that somewhere, somehow, a hound dog's going to start howling. It's just science. But I have figured out a super simple way to play a ton of recognizable songs using easy chords and basic strumming. Also, I do this for free, so complaints are not allowed. Unless they're really, really funny. I mean, seriously, what exactly were you expecting for free? So if you're looking for perfect, this ain't it. If you're looking for fun songs that you can play on an acoustic guitar and people can sing around a campfire, well, you're in the right place. Hey, if you came over from the other lesson over there, this is a little bit more Jammin' with Jimbo. So we're going to do Mack the Knife, Jammin' with Jimbo. So it starts in C, and I'll keep the chords here on the screen for you. Now, there's a lot of strumming pattern that goes with this, and you notice I pick up my fingers too. When you get playing this, you'll find that there's a place in here where you got to a G. You can actually do that G7th a lot easier. It just sounds more bluesy anyway, so listen to the story, and it kind of starts out slow and soft. Ooh, the shark bites with his teeth, babe, and he keeps some pearly white. Just a jackknife has old Mack Heath, babe, and he keeps it out of sight. Shark bites with his teeth, babe, scarlet billows start to spread. Fancy gloves has old Mack Heath, babe, so there's never a trace of red. On the sidewalk, oh Sunday morning, don't you know, lies a body, just oozing life. Someone sneaking around the corner. Could it be Mack the Knife? In the tugboat down on the river, don't you know, with those cement bags just drooping on down. That cement is there for the weight, babe. Oh, if I forget your tin, old Mack is back in town. Did you hear about Louis Miller? Oh, he disappeared, man. I've been drawing out all his hard-earned cash. Now Mack Heath, babe, seems like a sailor. Could it be our boy's done something rash? Oh, Jenny Diver, hey, yes, who guitar dreams. Look out a little Lottie Linda and old Lucy Brown. Yeah, the line forms on the right, babe. Now that Maggie's back in town. Yeah, the line forms on the right, babe. Now that Maggie's back in town. Oh, look out, old Maggie's back. That's Mack the Knife. You just did it in the full song. That was some Jammin' with Jimbo. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stick around, subscribe. We got a lot more fun coming up. And check out some of my playlists too. There's some really cool playlists in there. If you want to do some sing-along songs, some great campfires, you will be king of the campfire if you learn some of these songs. So until next time, it's Ohio Jimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.